Here we go, box of Anthology. Simonelli22, good luck, sir. Ooh, that was creepy. It opened on the side too. Slide that back in. Alright, Prism. And Imnum, yes sir. And sorry, our email started whacking out today. So I couldn't reply. Alright. Here we go. First up, Vizina Contenders of Jonas Hiller, number to 999. And Nick, this is your set because design-wise, all around, design-wise, one of the best sets I've seen in a long time. These guys will attest. Every subset just, well done. See, like this card, look at this. Chris Pronger, Towering Defenders. Look at that card. Ridiculous. That design is just awesome looking. UC Rhinus, Elite Rookie to 999. Classic Elite look. Here's a fatty. You get a lot of fatties per box. Sometimes 3 fatties in a box. Oh, this is... Nick, I don't know about you, this is my favorite set right here. Nicholas Backstrom, The Great Outdoors. Number to 500, Nicholas Backstrom, The Great Outdoors. And number to 699, Rookie Treasures, Tyson Berry. Dual Jersey Auto Rookie, number to 699. Ryan Sutter, Cup Contenders. Ooh, nice. Pat LaFontaine. Very nice, scratching the surface. Yep, Trash, 20 bucks a pop on the raffle. We have 9 left on the raffle. So very cool. We didn't see any old time scratching the surface. No numbering on the scratchings, but I'll say we only pulled like 1, sometimes 2 per case. Oh man, you got a killer box. Heart Contenders of Alex Ovechkin. 15 spots, Trask, winner take all. And nice. Bobby Clark, Luxury Sweet Stick. Bobby Clark, Luxury Sweet Stick. And another fat one. My God. You're killing it, Nick. Alexander Burmistrov, number to 50. Game worn gear. Not short print on the Clark. JT Brown, the 999.
They can see here and us.
So yeah, yours had you had 3 fat ones in here too. Peter Mueller, game worn gear. Peanut gallery over there. They can. And Prism. I think he had an auto too. You got the Nuge base. Tyler Kuma rookie. And good old Colby Roback. Prism rookie auto for you. So Nick,